Oh my gosh. Okay, I need to put pictures into my slideshow, but more importantly, I need to say to the world that I know intellectual property and I honor it properly. So how do we do that? Well, let's just say I need a picture of a cat in my slideshow. I go to search.creativecommons.org. You can see the link right there, and I click search. What it's doing is finding images that are in the Creative Commons. That means you can legally use them, but you have to cite them. You always, no matter what, for the rest of your life, if you're making a document and you're publicly putting it out there, you must cite sources that are not your own. So let's say I want to go with this cat. First off, my citation is right here. I'll copy that. I'll go over to my slide, and on your last slide, make it works cited, and drag this to the top. Okay, this is just in my slideshow. It's my last slide. And then just click here in the background and paste. And you can see here it grabs that citation, but check this out. I'm going to stretch this out so it doesn't wrap. Wrapping stinks. And then I'm going to click return for the next one. Now, I've got my works cited. Now, technically, it needs to be alphabetized by the username if we were doing MLA. We are not for this, but legally, we got everything covered. Legally, you need to have the date you got it, the website you got it from, the name of the user, and the name of the image. In this case, those 4 things legally you need to have. We have all that because it's a digital file. We can see when the file was created, all that stuff. So basically, this covers all our bases. We are being professional. Now, let's go grab the image. So this right here, I have a couple different options. I can leave it like this. I can go in and go to Images website. If I go like this, now Flickr is my favorite place to get images. It should be open. If it's not, let me know. And I just need to make this comment. There could be stuff that is not class appropriate here, but as young adults, I trust your process. So don't go looking for it and you'll be fine. And just remember, every click you do is tracked by the school district. So don't build a case against yourself. So what do I do? Right over here, I have view all sizes. And what I do is over here, I can pick whatever size seems to work. I like 1000. That seems to be big enough. So I literally, well, I'll right click or control click on the image and copy image address. Okay. And I go to my slideshow, and let's just say after Wisconsin here, I'm going to place the cat, and I'm going to go in here to insert image and by URL. I paste it right there and insert. And what you want to do is fill the frame. Now, what I mean by that is go until you hit the first 2 borders. So this, in this case, the top and the bottom, and then center it as best you can. Now, lastly, let me show you the power of this. When you've done this, and it's like, hi, my name is Scott, I'm from Wisconsin, Snuggles. Now, if I were introducing my cat, it would be Snuggles. Having a high quality image that's full frame is super powerful. You can't not stare at that. Now, my cat isn't even white, it's black. But, you know, I found this image, I could search black cat and find all kinds of images for black cat. And again, nobody knows what my cat looks like. I'm just trying to make a point. You want to save time to do your other stuff in your life. So if you want to use your own images, you could, but this is just quick and works really well. All right, that is the end of my tutorial.